Welcome back everyone. This video is the continuation from Arduino Board Types. If you didn't watch part 1, go and watch it. Link for this video is provided in description. Before starting this video, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get instant notification. First, I will show you a Arduino Mega board. It is designed for projects that require more input-output pins and more sketches memory. Then look at its processor. It has a Mega 2560 8-bit processor with a clock speed of 16 MHz. And it has a 8 GB static RAM and a 256 KB of flash memory. That board has a 54 digital input-output pins and 16 analog input pins. Arduino Mega board is widely used for mega projects. Nowadays, it is widely used to making a 3D printer due to its more compatible input-output pins. Now I will show you a Arduino Due board. It is first board based on a 32-bit ARM core microcontroller. It is the perfect board for powerful larger scale Arduino projects. It has a Atmel SAM3X 80 ARM Cortex M3 processor with a 32-bit CPU and has a clock speed of 84 MHz. And it has a memory of 8 KB static RAM and 256 KB of flash memory. The board contains 54 digital input-output pins and 12 analog input pins. It is widely used in large-scale projects due to its processor compatibility. Here I will show you a Arduino Leonardo board. It is an integrated USB HID Arduino board. Then move to its processor. It has a Atmega 32U4 8-bit processor with a clock speed of 16 MHz. It has a storage of 2.5 KB static RAM and 32 KB flash memory. The board contains 20 digital input-output pins and 12 analog input pins. This board differs from all other Arduino boards by its communication with its system. Here I will show you a Arduino Lilypad. The Lilypad Arduino family of boards has been designed for wearable application. It has a Atmega 328 8-bit processor with a clock speed of 16 MHz. And it has a storage of 2 KB static RAM and 32 KB flash memory. This board has a 14 digital input-output pins and 6 analog input pins. This board allows easy connections with sensor and actuators that developed for an easy integration in clothes and fabrics. That's all guys for today's session. If you like this video, give like and share this video with your friends. And then bye. I will see you next time.